If you also want to know how I can just save data on YouTube, just check in the comment section. I have a video for you. I'll also leave it on the screen so that you can just watch. After watching this video, let's start with it. Let's go. So just open your Facebook app and log into your Facebook app. And let me use this opportunity to thank everyone following me on Facebook, because we've reached 50,000 followers on Facebook alone. So just search Obinsi Moyao on Facebook and then you will get our account to follow on Facebook. Now, when you just go to your account, go to home and then look down here, you will see menu. For you, maybe you will see it at the top right corner. Just check wherever that you find your menu, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you can see at the top right corner, you will see we have settings. Just tap on settings. So just go to settings in your app. Wherever that you find settings, just look for it in your app and then just scroll down and go to media. Okay, and make sure you like the video for me so that it will help me do more for you. So when you go to media, we have video and photos right here. Look down here, we have video quality. So because you're going to save data, you're going to reduce the video quality on Facebook, because the quality of the video that you're watching also takes up more data from you. So just turn it or change it from optimized to data saver. Okay, and then this will help you save data as you watch videos on Facebook. And now scroll down a little and then look for autoplay. So when you come to autoplay, change it from on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or change it from on Wi-Fi only to never autoplay videos right here. Just select this one and then we are done with how you can just save data on Facebook. So just go back and then make sure you come to our profile on Facebook to subscribe to our Facebook account. So just check this video for how you can just save data on YouTube, and then also check here for another video just for you. See you again, stay alive. Bye for now.